Hello, hello, and welcome to the Entertainment District arc of Demon Slayer. This is episode 1, and I think it's kind of episode 8 of season 2, technically, but episode 1 of the Entertainment arc. I mean, make it a little more confusing for us, please, anime creators. What was the name? Ufotable. I will not know. Okay, whatever. The people who made this. Thank you for the confusion. But yeah. Alright, I think in the second season, we will be meeting some new characters. And apparently it upgrades on the first one as well. So now, having seen Mugen Train, everything was so much like, I don't know, it was upgraded. It felt like an upgraded version of the first season. So I'm kind of expecting that feeling to carry over to this one as well. So yeah. Alright, if you would like to see the full reactions to each of the episodes, you can do that in Patreon from the link in the description. And for early access to my videos here on YouTube, you can become a member on YouTube. And for my Instagram and OnlyFans, again, check the links down below for very interesting stuff. Okay, let's go. Oh no. What again? This is really hard, okay? No. Good start. I hate that this had to happen. This wasn't fair. He was such a good person. What? Why does it look so creepy though? What? Uh-huh. Yeah, that's why he can't go out. Oh! That's him! Oh my god, that's him! He has so many different forms! This attitude is gonna be his demise. Imagine if he can do this to him. But then he's like a subordinate, so he's like in, I don't know, he fears. No, his sword once again. Something tells me that next time you meet, you're not gonna be able to do that anymore. He's gonna get a lot stronger now. Oh, his brother. Rengoku's brother. Is that Zenitsu? I bet that's Zenitsu. Oh. Where did she come from? No. No. Sun breathing? What? Someone needs to put this guy in his place. Tell us. Don't be shy. I got goosebumps. Ooh, The headbutt, that's where the technique comes. That is the strong point is in the forehead. Oh no!
どのような最後だったのでしょうか?
No. This is so tragic. This whole family, their father.
父がよく見ていた書物には心当たりがありまして、これではないかと思うのですが。
Oh, thank you, lovely boy.
これは
What is it? No!
俺がもっと強かったら。
No, don't do this to yourself.
どんなに苦しくても悔しくても
Yeah, he's got the dedication he always had.
必ずなります。
Oh my god, he's gonna get so powerful with this ability. It's the most powerful. You understood more than you wanted to from his father.
私の日輪刀は色が変わりませんでした。
What?
私はダメだった。
No.
剣士になるのは諦めます。
That doesn't mean you can't help though.
縁柱の継承は断たれ、長い歴史に傷がつきますが。
No.
兄はきっと許してくれる。俺が頭突きします。これはやめた方がいいです。
The headbutt attack is like the ultimate move. That's how he's gonna defeat the master.
いただけません。こんな大切なもの。俺はあなたを守ってくれます。ありがとう。でも兄上のくだらん。
Why? No matter how depressed you get, you never get to say stuff like that. What is wrong with you? Like, I know it's their father and stuff, and I know that he's like heartbroken or whatever, but that doesn't give him right to act like this. You're probably bleeding out. Oh! Oh! What? I thought it was a demon! But it's even worse! No! They're living. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. This is what I call training in flip-flops. Look at those six-packs though! They have six-packs on their six-packs. What? Oh. Yes! Nezuko! They really upped their teamwork. And not only is he gonna become way more powerful, but he's gonna become like quadruple powerful because he's got Nezuko. If she trains as well, they're gonna become the Wombo combo. Ew. Why are you special? Every demon thinks they're special. I said it before. I bet that the black sword means that you can like wield all of the breathing forms. Oh, she's so confused now. What is he doing? Where is he taking them? He's kidnapping them. Yes! Charge! Charge! He dodged. No! No! You lousy kidnapper. No! I really miss Rengoku-san. Oh!
このようなざまで地味にグダグダしているから、鬼殺隊は弱くなっていくんだろうな。
Unflashy. I thought it was flamboyant. Oh, Zenitsu! Yes! Has he come to terms with his alter ego, perhaps? Yes! The Holy Trinity. How did this ever happen? I don't like him. I don't like this guy. I like flamboyant better. I'm just gonna imagine that they say flamboyant every time. Entertainment District. Why is he now in the center? I don't like him. Flamboyant character. Okay, we're gonna get a lot of new flamboyant characters in this one. But are we gonna be stuck with this Hashira? Because I really don't like him. I would rather be stuck with any other one than him. But I guess he is needed for that type of thing. The entertainment district. They need to develop some strategy to deal with his neuroticism. How does Tanjiro feel about this? Unflashy life, unflamboyant. Responsibility? He definitely does not strike me as the responsible type. Nice. Good one. It was 50 minutes long. I did not expect that. I was expecting a 20 minutes episode, and at some point during the 30-minute mark, I was like, what's going on here? Wasn't this supposed to be over? I know my time senses are incredibly off sometimes, but 20 minutes are 20 minutes. But yeah, is every episode in this season gonna be 50 minutes long? I guess we'll find out. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye!